Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to generate free AI videos using Flow. First, open your web browser and go to Google Flow. Once the website opens, sign in with your Google account if you're not already logged in. After signing in, you'll see the Google Flow dashboard. Now click on New Project or the Create button to start a new AI video project. On the left side, you'll find the prompt section where you can describe the video you want to create. In the prompt box, enter a detailed description of your scene. For example, a cute animated orange character standing in a colorful fruit market, cinematic lighting, Pixar-style animation, highly detailed, 4K quality. After entering your prompt, review the settings below. Select your preferred video quality and duration if those options are available. Now click the Generate button. Google Flow will begin creating your AI video. This process may take a few moments, depending on the complexity of your prompt. Once the generation is complete, you'll see preview results on your screen. You can compare different versions and choose the one you like best. In this example, Google Flow creates a colorful animated fruit character with excellent details and smooth motion. The more details you provide, the better the generated video will be. When you're happy with the result, click the Download button to save the video to your device. And that's it. You've successfully created an AI-generated video using Google Flow. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.